This huge Fresia floor plan is 1,862 square feet under air and offers 3 bedrooms, a den, and 2 full baths. The 2021 build villa is decorated with light contemporary furnishings. The outdoor space is fabulous. The screened-in pool and spa area has comfortable outdoor furniture, and it is very private because there is no one behind you. The Isles of Collier Preserve has great amenities, like the iconic clubhouse with a large fitness center, a huge resort-style pool, a lap pool, the Overlook Bar and amp, grill, tennis, pickleball, and bocce ball courts, a dog park, and a social director that keeps things hopping. There are over 8 miles of nature trails to experience and abundant wildlife. Kayaks and canoes are available for use to paddle to the Gulf of Mexico. This is one of Naples' most desirable gated communities and only 4 miles to our famous 5th Avenue and the beach.